I believe the same motorcycle stand I've been using on the XP 3.0 will work somewhere on the frame or axle in the back of the trike to be able to raise it and work on the rear tires and brakes, etc. So I'm thinking this bottom rail here will work well. Hopefully I have enough adjustability in the hooks here to get them just inside of this bend. And there is a wire on this side, so I have to be careful, put some slack in the wire and tuck it underneath there when I lift it. Let's adjust this other one as far inward as I can. Yeah, so that looks like it's going to be perfect right there. But to avoid scratching the paint, I'm going to use some of this T-Rex tape, which is a very similar color to the frame, and just put a couple of wraps around that rail there to help protect the paint. This tape is super sticky, super strong. It's similar to Gorilla Tape, I think, right there. This is not the most elegant solution probably, but it's what I'm going with today. Yeah, I'll come up with like a rubber sleeve, a rubber hose of some sort to go over it, I think. I need to do some work on the bike today, and I just want to protect the paint. Kind of wrinkles up there, but let's just see. Is that the right spot? Yeah. Hooks onto it nicely. Very little effort to get it up. So yeah, the same stand's gonna work. Looks good. That's what made it a lot easier for me to clean that disc brake during the unboxing. I think the contamination on the disc is due to them lubricating this chain, or even this other chain, and just spraying some kind of lubricant onto it. I'm also wondering if you can remove the pads and clean the pads somehow. Usually when the pads are contaminated, they're considered wasted, or that you need to replace them. But I'm wondering if you take alcohol and just rub the surface of the pad, does that get enough of the contamination off to make them work better again? We'll see, something I might experiment with.